welcome to a vlog. So we are actually going to do a little photo shoot for her 6 months. She's 6 months next week, but I want to have this shoot done already, and we're actually doing it at home. And I'm waiting for him to be done with his like job stuff so he can help me. And then Angelique is going to be super cute because this theme I saw at the inspo came from TikTok. I'll tag the info here. I honestly can't remember. I just saw it and I liked it, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. And you guys are gonna come with us to see how we actually set it up. And then that's it. We're gonna go with us to some errands that we have to do, which we actually need to hurry up because the sun's already going down and we need these pictures taken. So oh, that scared you, mama. So let's go. And we're actually going downstairs for this, and I have to finish cleaning the sink because it's gonna be in the sink. It's gonna be like a little bath setup, and I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and set her down so I can clean this area and we can get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect really well the sink. That way I can sit the baby in here. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned the sink. I'm filling it up with water, and we're gonna go ahead and set it up together, okay? And okay, Peter gave me these flowers for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna use these as well as a prop. I hate that this water thing is right here, but we're gonna make it work, okay? And I'm actually also going to use, these are the flowers that I bought Angelique for Valentine's Day, so we're gonna use these. And then I took one out so I could put the petals in here. And I actually want to do like a milk bath type of thing, so I'm gonna pour some milk in here so it could look white. I'm gonna fill it up with water again because Peter put some anxiety in me that I didn't clean it well, so now definitely clean for sure. And let's get Angelique ready. So we got her soap going on, and I usually don't like to like bathe her and then leave the house, but we're gonna do that today and just cover up really, really well. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so we filled it up with water. I put a little bit of this soap in there, and then I did a splash of milk just so it could be like a little cute milk bath. And we're going to I'm gonna go ahead and add rose petals to it. And then at the bottom I put a towel so she can sit on it and it won't be like directly on the sink. And let's hope you don't eat the petals. So she's going in. Put her towards that way. Yeah. Uh-huh. That way's warm. Get up. Oh, Angelique loves splashing.
It's a swimming pool, baby.
Oh man, she moved the whole ass towel. How cute. Angelique, mira mamá.
Mamacito. Okay.
Mama. Hola, mama. So let's see if I can capture it. I'm gonna. Angelique. Hi. Okay, so we are getting ready to head out, and Peter is putting water in the container that we put hot water in. Oh, these don't fit her though. And we got diapers, wipes. I need to make sure I got formula. And if all else fails, I have the boob. And she doesn't really like this bottle, so I'm gonna get the ones that she. Okay, so she likes the Como Tomo bottles. I'm gonna put this one here. Or yeah, we should make her one right now. Make her like 3 ounces because I think she's still hungry. And then I gave her a teething toy to get entertained. And then I'm taking another one in her diaper bag just in case. And then also I bought her some like little pacifiers that you could put stuff in, like fruit and stuff, and she loves it. But we're not taking that right now because she doesn't eat that. We're gonna go have dinner and we're just gonna give her a bottle right now. But we'll take you guys along. So we are on our way to go eat. The baby fell asleep. We already picked up the soaps that I had ordered. That was super quick. And then right now we are walking to the, what is it, Crab and Spice? It's like a, ¿cómo se llama the other one?
Boiling crab.
Oh, it's like boiling crab, but it's here in Valencia. So we're gonna try it out. It's our first time. Hopefully there's not a long wait because it's already past 7 p.m. So we'll see how that goes because I'm already really hungry. So we'll let you guys know if we're able to get a table. So we're waiting on our food. We actually got a table, you guys. It was very quick. And we got some Cajun fries, Cajun pasta. How was it?
I mean, it's alright. Pretty good.
And then show your drink, baby, because it's actually good. Oh, this is a Sprite.
Come on, michelada.
That was really good.
I haven't had one in a long time.
I can't wait to try the extra food. I haven't had this in like, even before we were pregnant, huh? What's this?
Now the test you're going to see is some of the people. It probably don't go.
Yum. So I've never tried these before. I've definitely had shrimp, which is under there, but yum. Okay, so you guys, I don't even know how to eat these damn crab legs, so Peter's gonna teach us today.
Let me put my gloves on.
Can't mess up the fresh money. Let's start off with one of these. Oh, it has this. Oh, it's a lobster tail. How do you eat this?
I have to break it.
It's on my face. There? It's on my hair.
One. Rub your eyebrow.
Wow. Viewers, I have never ate this. Which one? All the like flavors out here. Oh wow, look at this. This definitely needs some lemon.
This is Ivan.
Well, I've only had like imitation. So good. Okay, so we finished eating. What do you think?
I mean, it's good, but I feel like it's a little bit different than like
And the boiling crab, huh?
boiling crab.
I feel like it needed a little bit more flavor, but it was good.
I mean, yeah, it's good.
We'd come again. I'd come again.
I'd come again, yeah.
Yeah. So it's here in Valencia. So if you want to try it out and you're in the area, check it out. We killed it. So it was pretty good. It was just a little bit, for our taste, more seasoned.
Yeah.
But the michelada was good, right?
Yeah, it was bomb.
And look who decided to wake up. You look scared, Mama. She's like, why do you have this phone in front of my face? Huh? Huh? don't like the phone in your face? No? Good morning, bonitas. It is the next day and we are here gonna have breakfast with the in-laws. We are so hungry. It's already like almost 11 a.m. So we'll see you guys in a bit. I totally forgot to close the video, but after breakfast we went to church with my mom and we went to take flowers to my dad. It was Angelique's first time there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.